Hey everybody, so today I'll be showing you how to cook seitan. In another video I showed you how to make seitan from flour, but today I'll show you what to do with that ball of seitan now. There's a lot of things you can do with seitan. You can make it into a meatloaf and bake it. You can make it into crumbles and put it in tacos or pasta. In this video I'm going to show you how to do seitan steaks, Asian style. So I'll be using some miso, some maple syrup, and it'll be fun. Let's get started. Bring a bunch of water to simmer on medium-high heat and add about a teaspoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and about a quarter teaspoon of salt. And we're going to take our seitan and put it in. And we're going to keep it there for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I boiled it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and so we're just going to take it out and we're just going to cut it up. We can cut it up like this if you want, but for this purpose I'm going to cut it just in half. We can see that it's very firm inside, it's very meat-like, and so now I'll show you to cook it. Okay, so we're just going to move this out of the way, and we'll just get a mixing bowl in which we'll add tablespoon of tamari, about a tablespoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon or so of miso, and some chipotle flakes, just as much as you like. We'll also add in some of the liquid that's left over from boiling the seitan. So now let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to put our pan on the stove and turn it on to medium-high heat. Next we're going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil. So we're going to add our seitan now. And we're just going to let it cook now till it's golden-ish color. I like to take it slightly charred, just to give it that kind of barbecue-y effect. The underside has gotten golden brown. So I'm just going to take this out for a second. I add my garlic and chili, just to infuse that in the oil a little bit. And then I'll add this back and add my marinade. So that's it, so we'll take it out and plate it. Okay, so we can just take this top steak and I'll show you how to cut it up. Okay everyone, we're done. Thanks for watching. The outside has a little saucy crunch to it. The inside's nice and tender. It tastes like barbecued pork. I hope you guys try it. It's really easy, it's really cheap to make, and let me know what you think. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and any ideas you have about things to make in the future, let me know in the comments below. But I'll see you next time guys, take care, namaste.